New at 10, deputies searching for the sicko who killed 4 farm animals and maimed 6 others. If you love animals at all, this is going to be hard to look at. One of the horses with a large gash down his neck, he survived, but 4 sheep did not. The owner of the Riley Township farm believes her 2 horses, 7 lambs, and a ewe were stabbed last Saturday morning.
It just makes me really sick. It kind of makes me think, what would you do to a human being that you could do this to such an innocent animal?
Now that it's public, deputies are asking anybody who can help them make an arrest to call 513-785-1300.